Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here, and I wanted to just show you guys a fair review for the Natural85's Melanin Hair Care. So if you're interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. I am starting off on freshly washed hair. I didn't put any product in my hair, just to show you guys what the ends of my hair is looking like. You can see how tangly and frizzy they are. So I am going to use both products, the multi-use oil and the twist elongating styling cream, on my natural mini braids. You guys, my hair absolutely love these two products and they work so great together. I know in my last video I told you guys that I cannot stand the smell of the oil, but I will have to say that the smell of the oil disappears after the product dries. So it is not a lingering smell, just to give you guys an update on that smell. So I will be repurchasing this oil as well because it absolutely does what it's supposed to do. My hair feels moisturized. My hair loves it. I can tell by the ends of my hair with putting the twist elongating styling cream on the ends of my hair that my hair is super hydrated and moisturized, and my hair absolutely love it. I don't know if it's the glycerin in this product, but my hair loves it. And once again, I am going to be pairing the Melanin Hair Care with my rosemary flaxseed oil. I'm just going to put that on the ends. This time I am not going to rub it throughout the entirety of my braids. I'm going to focus it more on the ends of my hair so that my hair can hold the curls at the end and it doesn't frizz up. I did part my hair into two sections just to make it a little bit more easier and for me to have more control over where the gel is going. And I did also put a little of the flaxseed gel on my baby hair, so when I tie my hair down, my hairs are laying flat and they just don't get frizzy. This is another prong key because my hair is growing out a lot, and when I wash my hair, I immediately tie it down now so that my hair does not look puffy or fluffy because I have a lot of new growth. After I get done putting the Melanin Hair Care line on my hair and the flaxseed, I like to top that off with the multi-use oil from the Melanin Hair Care line, and that just seals in all of that moisture. I just make sure that the ends of my hair is very hydrated and coated with the oil, and I also like to put a little bit on my scalp. It kind of gives a cool tingly feeling. I'll massage that in and then I'll follow up with scrunching the ends of my hair and then putting my silk rag on for me to get ready to go to sleep. One thing that I will say, you guys, this product is really thick, so it takes a very long time to dry. I don't know if my hair likes to be covered up with this product, but this is the next morning. You guys know the routine. I have to go to the gym, so it's still wet. So I did not put my head rag back on my hair. I just allowed it to air dry, and this is about 2 hours later. As you guys can see, it is not flaky. It is not white. There is no residue in my hair. My hair is extremely soft and the ends of my hair is curled up perfectly and they look very hydrated. So this is the end result. Hopefully you guys like this and you can use this Melanin Hair Care line on any style. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.